Well, come back on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is the third largest planet in our solar system. It was first discovered by William Herschel in 1781 and is named after the ancient Greek deity of the sky, Uranus. Some interesting facts about Uranus include Uranus is known as the ice giant because it is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, but also contains a significant amount of water, ammonia, and methane ices in its atmosphere. Uranus has a very unique feature. It rotates on its side, with its poles pointing towards the sun. This is likely due to a collision with a large object early in its history. Uranus has a system of 27 known moons, the largest of which is named Titania. The moons of Uranus are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Uranus is one of the four gas giants in our solar system, along with Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. Uranus has a faint ring system, which was discovered in 1977. The rings are made up of small particles of rock and ice. Uranus has a very cold atmosphere, with temperatures reaching as low as 224 deg 371 def at the cloud tops. Uranus has been visited by only one spacecraft, Voyager 2, in 1986. Voyager 2 provided valuable information about Uranus and its moons, but no further missions are currently planned. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system, with an average temperature of 195 deg 319 def. This is colder than the surface of any other planet, including Neptune, which is farther from the Sun. Uranus has a very weak magnetic field, which is tilted at an angle of 60 degrees to its rotation axis. This is another result of its unusual rotation, and it means that its magnetic poles are close to its equator. Uranus is about 4 times larger than Earth, but it is much less massive. Its mass is only about 14 times that of Earth, making it the least dense planet in our solar system. Uranus has seasons that last for 21 years each. This is due to its tilted axis, which causes the sun to shine directly on one pole for half of its orbit, and then on the other pole for the other half. Uranus has a very thin atmosphere, which is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. However, it also contains methane, which gives it a distinctive blue-green color. Uranus has a very faint and sporadic set of auroras, which were observed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2011. These auroras are caused by charged particles from the solar wind interacting with the planet's magnetic field. Uranus is located about 2.9 billion kilometers, 1.8 billion miles from the Sun, which means that it takes about 84 Earth years to complete one orbit. Its day, however, is much shorter, only 17.24 hours. Finally, despite being discovered over 200 years ago, Uranus still holds many mysteries for scientists to explore. Hopefully, future missions to Uranus will shed more light on this fascinating planet and its system of moons and rings. God bless you and take care. Goodbye.